see. Well, this is not. I want to give you the latest now on Hurricane Melissa. This is a live look at Jamaica, the Cat 5 storm barreling closer to that island this afternoon. As NBC's George Solis explains, Melissa will be the strongest hurricane to hit Jamaica since record keeping began back in 1851.
Conditions here in Jamaica continue to fluctuate. Any moment you do see some heavy rain and wind start to pick up. Right now it is calm, and a lot of people taking that time to make those last-minute preparations. For instance, here you can see this building trying to fortify their doors with some sandbags here in anticipation of some of that flooding that is expected with this very strong Category 5 storm. Again, where it makes landfall is still anyone's guess. Officials urging everyone, if you haven't already found a safe place, to do so. Also, in some of these low-lying areas that typically tend to flood, evacuation orders are in place. These are now mandatory. We actually saw some buses staging in some of these communities. Not many people still getting on them. Some saying they are going to ride out this storm in their homes as they've been accustomed to. Officials also briefing the public daily. The messaging pretty clear, though, whether you're a tourist or whether you're a local here. This is a time to band together to ride out this storm because they anticipate this to be historic. We've been talking about the catastrophic rainfall, the potential for rock slides, mudslides. It could get very ugly here, especially with how slow this storm has been moving. The emergency shelters here across the island are now open. Not many of them full yet, but officials expect that could change in the coming hours. Back to you.